Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to take English class for class 6. So I am going to start lesson 3, that is the Indian tiger. So we can see here in the picture elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, then we have lion, peacock, deer. These are all animals, and these animals are found in India. And today I'm focusing on tiger. Let us know about the Indian tiger. What is the specialty of Indian tiger? So I'm going to tell you about the Indian tiger. As we know, Indian tiger is a magnificent, very beautiful to see, very attractive, and it is also known as royal animal with a short strip coated. We can see the color of the tiger, yellow and black strip on the covering body, which is a very attractive to see. The tiger is also known as national animal of India, and it is a combination matlab it is mix of two or three or more colors together, or different things put together as one. Grace means attractive, okay, attractive to see. And strength, we know Shakti. And the power has earned the tiger a very special place in the animal world, as it is looked as the king of forest. It is Tiger is also looked as the known as the king of the forest. We know the lion is the king of forest, but still we see that tiger is also the king of forest. Indian tigers are very famous all over the world, as we know. Okay, and a lot of people from other countries are curious to see. Here, curious means they are eager. इतना अफसोस है इंडियन टाइगर को देखने के लिए, दुनिया बाहर से आके देखने जाता है इंडियन टाइगर को. इतना क्यूरियोसिटी, so beautiful, very attractive and very graceful to see the Indian tiger. And so many people from outside country, they come and see the Indian tiger. And there are many animal lovers from far away, from other parts of the country. People travel from far away coming to India and just to see the animals that is there in India, especially the tiger. So the tiger, tough means very strong. Bengal tiger or Indian tiger. Tiger, they have a very tough, very strong muscles. And so the Indian tiger roams jungle में घूरना फिरना पूरा free से घूरता है all over the India, because it has a very strong muscles. Most famous of them all is the white Bengal tiger. It is found in Sundarban forest of Bengal, white Bengal tiger. So the color is white and black strip is there over the skin. Unlike its cousin who has a golden and black strips running all over them. दूसरा जगह का टाइगर येलो कलर है, लेकिन ऊपर में ब्लैक कलर स्ट्रिप है. लेकिन बेंगल टाइगर उसका अलग कलर है. व्हाइट कलर over the white color runs the black strip. So it is very pleasant to see with the contrasting black color. Okay, over the white color का ऊपर और black color है, देखने के लिए इतना सुंदर लगता है. The strips of the tigers, okay, strips means काला रहता है, उसको strips बोलता है. जैसे कि ये, these are called strips, okay, over the white yellow color. These black things are the strips. over the yellow color. So it is very fine to see. And the fingerprints has two tiger have the same strips. Okay, the white Bengal tiger and the golden with black strips. ये है golden with black strips और Bengal का tiger white color with black strips. So this footprints means ये paw. Okay, they have the same footprints for same strips. Okay, strips. These strips also helps in to hide in the tall grasses or trees. You can see now these strips. So ऊंचा ऊंचा जंगल में ये छुपने के लिए मदद देता है ये टाइगर को. अंडरस्टूड. टाइगर जो क्या खा के जिंदा रहता है, जैसे कि वो टाइगर समटाइम्स फीड्स ऑन फिश खाता है, कैटल्स एंड समटाइम्स ह्यूमन बीइंग आल्सो, other animals, and sometimes human beings also eating. Though man eater are the most dangerous of all wild beasts. Okay, man eater animals like tiger usually do not have attack human unless irritates them or hurts. Usually टाइगर जो ह्यूमन को अटैक नहीं करता है, लेकिन डिस्टर्ब कर दिया तो अटैक करेगा टाइगर. टाइगर आर फर्स्ट वेरी फास्ट रनर, बहुत स्पीड दौड़ सकता है, एक्सलेंट, और स्विम भी कर सकता है. और क्या करता है, देयर आई साइट नो, आँख का नजर वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत दूर दूर तक देख सकता है, और कान भी बहुत अलर्ट है, दूर दूर तक सुनाई देता है. एट फुल रनिंग स्पीड they reach the speed up and kilometers. कितना kilometers? 100 kilometers per hour. But then they also take time off. The average tiger sleeps between 16 to 18 hours. Okay, average tiger sleeps between 16 से 18 घंटा तक सोता है. Where do the tigers sleep? Usually tigers live mostly by themselves and do not move in pack or group like some other animals. They move single. They एक साथ नहीं घूरता है, एक अलग अलग होके ग्रुप घूरता फिरता है, लेकिन ग्रुप में नहीं घूरता है, जैसे कि दूसरा जानवर का जैसा, like deer, buffaloes, giraffes. They move in together, but tiger moves single, not in group. They are different in their habits from lion who lives together as a family. Okay, they are very very different in habitats. They live in different way, not like the lion who lives together as family. Lion days to live like family, एक परिवार का जैसा रहता है lion, लेकिन tiger ऐसा नहीं रहता है, different habitat. Tiger rests during the day in the shed and begins to hunt for food at dusk. This is very important. दिन में क्या करता है, आराम से सोता है. They sleep, they take rest during the day under the tree, and in the dusk they begin to hunt their food. So it's their sharp eyes, because they have आँख नजर बहुत शार्प है, तो डार्क में भी उसको दिखाई पड़ता है. They used to hunt food at dusk. It's their sharp eyesight help them to hunt the animals and help them to stalk their prey, find out their food. Tiger kill animals, other animals within a second. ज़्यादा देरी नहीं लगता है. They kill very fast. एक बार घेचा में पकड़ देगा, नहीं छोड़ेगा, वही में खत्म कर देगा. So it kills very fast within a second. They're tough and sharp paw. Tough means a very strong paw. Okay, उसका पैर नाखून जो बहुत strong है, to play an important role in catching and holding on the prey. So because of that, their nails help them to catch the animals and keep them under their control. So here I stop today's class, and I will continue in the next class. And I request, किसी का किताब नहीं है तो स्कूल में बुक्स आ चुका है, आके लेने से अच्छा होगा, ताकि तुम्हारा पढ़ाई भी अच्छा हो सकेगा। बिना किताब से बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं होता है। इसलिए आई रिक्वेस्ट those who don't have books, you can come to the school and collect your books. Thank you.